Hinahin pa.
Sige lang. Takin kaya, takin. Tsaka earrings.
Type 4.
Bola ng MJ. Good seal. Bounce pass. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 24. First personal foul, first team foul. Shooting foul. Sablay. Second attempt. Pasok. Number 9. Pass to 24. Good for 2. By number 24. 23. Pinasay 22. No good. Number 9. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 23. Shooting foul? First personal, first team foul. 2 shots. First attempt. No good. Second free throw. Pasok. Overpass. Steal. By 69. 69. Drives. Good for 2. Foul number 24. First personal foul, second team foul. Plus 1. No good. Twenty-three. Tumira 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. 69. Tumira ng 3. No good. Traveling violation. Score natin 8-4. Favor of M-Grace. Number 9. No good. Twenty-four. Foul. Who's foul? Foul number 69. First personal, second team foul. No good. Second attempt. Pasok. No good. Napaganda pa kay number 8. No good. Kuha number 30. Sa 18, tumira 3. No good. Pasok. Good for 2 by number 9. bounds. Easy two. By number 9. Hit for two. By number 18. Number 18, Chavez. Balikin Chavez. Lifting violation. Fadeaway, good for two. By number 24. Number 18, pass to 29. 124. Pinoy step, no good. 24, drives. No good. Nakuha ulit yung 24. Good for two. 18. Steal by number 30. Bad pass, buti na nakuha. 22. Foul. Pushing foul. Foul number 24. Second personal, change 5 times. Second personal, 13 foul by number 24. Laki ay yung video nila. 23. Tumira sa tres. No good. Reset. Same boy. 12 to shoot. Intercepted. Uli ni number 2. Intercepted ulit. Number 20, no good. Easy two. By number 22. Lucas. Number 1. No good. Meet back. Tumira ng tres. Pasok. By number 23. Intercepted. Easy two. Sorry. Easy two by number 2. 31. Pass to number 20. Bad pass. Quality 23. Quality 20. No good pa rin. Nilabas, tumira ng tres. No good. Bola ng red. Pass to 31. Tumira ng tres. No good. Rebound by 24. To 23. Alley-oop play. Good for 2. by number 2. 14 pala yun, number 14. Number 1. Inabas, intercepted. Good steal. No good. One in number 20. And number 1. 20. Good block. Timeout and break. Good. Tumira. No good. Layup. Good for 2. Number 20. No good pa rin. Good steal by number 23. Block. Foul number 1. Walang foul. Good block na, good block. 31. Tumira 3. No good. 15. Who's foul rep?
27.
Foul number 27. First personal foul, 14 foul. No good. Rebound by number 20. No good pa rin. 22. Foul number 27.
Alis po tayo sa 27. Go for the man. Hard foul. Category
27, hands po. 2 shots plus ball possession. Counted yung tira,
Nakita ko yung tumama yung player. Pumasok ko yung tira, hindi. Pumasok, isang free throw lang.
Sana lang.
Bonus free throw lang. Pero plus ball possession. Counted yun. Hindi. Foul yun, pero plus ball possession.
3 minutes. Oh, 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
3 minutes bawal maglaro sa 20. Bye. 22. 240. Good finger roll by number 22. Number 5. To number 9. Good for 2 by number 20. Bounce pass. Ganda ng pass to ball movement. Good for 2. Tumira, good for 2 by number 9. Last 24 seconds. Pasok. Last 18 seconds sa ating first quarter. 20. Wala. 10 seconds. Tumirang 3. No good. Score natin, 35-18 in favor of Casino. Bola ng white. Foul. Foul number 9. First personal, first team foul. 24. No good. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 30. Shooting foul. First personal, first team foul. Pasok. Pasok ulit. Good steal by number 8. 69. Pass to number 9. Pass to 18. Good for 2. Tumira ng 3. No good. Out of bounds. Bola lang. White. Line to shoot. Hindi, tumama pala rin. Sorry. 10 to shoot. Number 30. Tumira ng 3. No good. Same ball. 24. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 24. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Pasok. Maliban sa captain. No good. Floater, no good. Rebound by number 9. Easy 2. Tumira, no good. Tumira ulit. Pasok, good for 3. Steal. Foul. Two foul rep. Foul number 69. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Pasok, unang tira. Second attempt. Ten to shoot. Spin move. Good for 2. Good for 2. Good for 2 by 99. Four. Good for 2 by number 9. No good. Air ball. 2018. 18. Pass to 69. Good for 2. Easy 2. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Foul number 99. Sino ba? 24? Second personal, second team foul. Pasok. 99. Foul 99. Committee timeout. Committee timeout.
Yung mapili 29 po. 9 tama niya pa ng usulat. 99 po yung player niya pong number. GG. Hindi ko tuloy ko na lang yun. Kaya yung sleeping ko na naman. GG! Hindi kasi pagka wala sa lineup, i-yield lang sa score niya. Buto na lipas ko yan later.
Hindi pa. Last possession.
Last possession. Change 5, change 5. Tumiran 3. No good. Rebound by 30, na 130. 22. Pero sa 22 ngayon. Good for 2. Number 1. 31. Lucas, tumira, no good. 22, good Hesi. Easy 2. Bad pass, stolen by number 14.
Swerte ni Isaac, lahat na pakit niya yung mga konti na yung matrabaho. Puro sa'yo yung matrabaho yung kapit. Yun sa'yo, puro matrabaho.
Good for 2 by number 14.
Kapit lagi yung puro panalo eh. Puro matrabaho dahil sinusulat eh.
31. No good. Rebound by number 24. 24 sa mag-asa. Good for 2. Pass to 20. 20. Lumipad. Foul. Hang time. Foul number 14.
Uy, foul number 14. Uy, foul number 14. Ilan?
First personal, third team foul.
First personal, third team foul. Tumira. Pasok. Isa. Isa lang pass. 22. Tumira ng 3. Good for 3. Good steal. Number 20.
Paul, pwede na pumasok siya na.
Ganda ng board. Timeout, MJ. Score natin, 59-33 in favor of Kusina ko. Okay. Number 1, pass to Lucas. Tumira ng 3, air ball. 22, mainit to eh. No good. Balikin 22. Block by 31. Good for 2 by 22. 18. No good. 24. Easy 2 by number 24. Number 1. Pass to nobody. Overpass. Tumira ng 3. Boarding. Score natin 66-33 in favor of Kusina ko. Steal by number 30. Ball and white. No good. Too strong. 20. Pass to 18. Bounce back to 20. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 30. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Pasok. Ilan yung po? Dalawa. 2 for 2. 22. Balikin 18. 22 ulit. Fake. Bounce pass. Ganda ng ball movement. 14-10 to shoot. Layup. No good. Rebound by 24. Good for 2. Number 1, no good. 22. 30. Tumira ng 3. No good. Wallet ni number 22. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Cobre. No good. Naubos kahapon si Cobre. 30. Tumira 3. No good. 18. Traveling. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. End of the ball game. Bola ng MJs. (23) at 27. No good. Number 2. Balikin number 2. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Number 2. No good. Pasok by number 9. Number 9 nakapasok. Ilaw. Good for 2. (18) No good. Quali number 9. Good block by number 24. Good hustle. Steal by number 27. Intercepted din pa ganun. Number 2. Number 9. Itawan, number 99. No good. Quali number 12. Number 2. Number 99. Diskarte. No look layup yun. Napakalupit. Nice pass to number 9. Si number 9 natin. Set number 2. No good. Number 20. No good pa rin. (24) Good for 2 by number 99. Halimaw si 99. Fade away, no good. Kobe sana eh. Kobe. Number 14, dire-diretso. Pass to 99. Stop. Good for 2. 18. Binababa bola. Imamadali si 18. Libre-libre. Good for 2 by number 18. Pass to number 2. 180. Balikin number 2. Libre. Teardrop by number 2. 18. Dire-diretso ni 18. Stop and pop. Good for 2 by number 18. Open substitution na tayo ngayon. 24. Nalagasa. Quality 24. Offensive foul. Substitution. Offensive foul by 24. Third personal foul, first team foul. Tumira ng 3. Air ball. Wala sa momentum na yung 20 ah. No good. 20. Binigay kay number 1, tumirang 3. No good pa rin. Number 1 ulit. Ganda ng paasa. Number 2 by number 9. Number 2. Easy lang daw sabi number 2. Pinasa kay 99. Foul. Foul number 9.
Second personal foul.
First team foul. No good. Wali number 9. Bounce pass 19. Drive. No good. Easy 1. Easy 2 by number 1. Sub ka, brother.
Opo.
Okay. Number 2. Pinababa bola. 99. Sagasa. Bad pass. Nakuha ni number 18. 18. Foul.
Time out.
Time out. Kusina. Foul number 18. No shaken. First personal, second team foul. Bola ng red.
Warning for penalty. Team fouls. Team fouls. Ilan? Puti. Team fouls sa puti.
Ilang ikaw sa pre?
Number 1. Bounce pass, no good. Pero nakuha ulit. Side to shoot. Good for 2. Nakabutas din si number 20. Intercepted by number 20. Lumipad, number 2. Number 2, pass to number 18. Number 2, ulit. To 22. Good rebound. Easy 2 by Lanter. No good. 299. Pass 22. Balikin 99. Easy 2. Figueroa, good for 2 by number 20. Libre si number 2. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ulit ni number 2. Figueroa, no good. Bad pass. Bitawan. Tumira ng 3. No good. Pero nakuha number 9. Number 9. Libre-libre si 18. Easy 2 by number 18. Binababa ang bola. Pass number 2, tumira ng 3. Pasok. Number 2. No good. 22. No good ulit. 120. Bounce pass to number 9. No good pa rin. Alak ng embrace. 22. Kinuha. Black and black. Foul. Counter. Foul count. Foul number 2. Foul. First personal 13 foul. Pasok. $27 na lang lamang. Medyo humahabol ng konti. Yun lang, binawi ka agad. Balik sa 30. Oras natin, 48 seconds. Good for 2. By Brett. 18. Uy, nagtawan. Ang number 9. Ang haba ng crossover. Good for 2. 35 seconds. Bounce pass, number 2. Pass to 99. Umatras, long 2. No good. Nakuha ni 24. 20 seconds. Good for 2. Last 15 seconds. Sa ating third quarter. 10 seconds. Bounce pass. Steal. Number 1. Easy 2. End of the third quarter. Score natin, 92-70 in favor of Kusina ko. 22 naman naman. Okay, ball ng Kusina. Ball ng right. Medyo may pag-asa pa yan. 22 lang. Pero tumira ng 3. No good. Kuha ni number 9. Mismatch. Good for 2. 20 na lang lamang. Foul. Who's foul, Red? Foul number 1.
Foul number 1. First person.
First personal, first team foul. Pasok. Unang tira. Second attempt. Yes, sir. No good. 18. Foul. Pushing foul. Who's foul, Red? Foul number 14. Second personal, first team foul. Ilabas. Binigay ka number 1. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Easy 2 by number 9. Babasa 18 ang kalamangan. Uy, ang ganda nun. Halftime. No good. No good ulit. 122. Pasakay 30. No good. Same ball. Timeout. M-Grace.
Kulo mo yung tubig na ano. Ginawa mo na yung water meter, water meter.
Third 14. 7. Easy 2.
Foul number 24. Warning for technical.
Foul number 24, warning for technical.
Fourth personal foul. Second team foul.
Fourth personal foul, second team foul. Number 18, Jimmy Discaro. Cross. Volleyball spike. 22, easy 2 by number 22. Number 1. Number 9, no good. Rebound by number 1. Spin move. No good pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin. Good for 2 by number 1. Number 30. Step back 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 18. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 9. Umatras. Tumira. No good. Rebound by 24. 22. Bounce pass. Good for 2. Tumirang 3, no good. Number 9 ulit. Good for 2 by number 9. Score natin, 101 over 170. 79 pala. Bounce pass to 99, 14. To 24, balik 99, 20, 99 ulit. Good for 2. Ganda ng ball movement. Number 9. Binali sa ere, number 9. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 45 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Yeah. 5 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Ang bilis nun. Shooting foul. Foul number... Substitution. Third personal foul, 13 foul. Pasok. No good. Rebound by number 8. Good for 2. Baba sa 19 ang kalamangan. Balikin 22. 7 to shoot. Good block by 20. 2 to shoot. Foul counted. Basket count. Foul number 18.
Ilan sa 18? Personal foul.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Pag pumasok.
No good. Substitution. Tumira ng 3. Airball. Number 30. Good for 2. Nice and intercept. Sorry. Binili kay number 22, tumira ang 3. No good. Nakuha ni 14. 122. No good pa rin. Bounce pass. Out of bounds. Substitution. Time stop mo natin. Wala yung bola. Thank you, Ray. Ganda ko. Step back 3. No good. Foul. Foul number 30. Third personal, 14 foul. Shooting foul ba? Ay, shooting foul. Tumiran 3. Air Marlon. No good. Pass break play. No good. No good pa rin. Fade away. No good by number 8. Ganda ng pasa. No good. Easy 2. Number 9. Good rebound. Uy! Nawala. Good for 2. Score natin 112 over 84. Substitution. Score natin 112-84. No good. Rebound by 27. Good for 2. Tumira ng 3. No good. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni Matthew. Tumira ng 3. No good pa rin. Tumira ng 3. Airball. Substitution. Oras natin. Substitution. Yan na. Alaska boy. Takin mo na. Yan. Sunod tayo sa policy. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 5. No good ulit. Fade away. Good for 2. Good run. Yo-yo. Good for 2 by 24.
Anong call?
Anong call? Violation. Stepping. $14 lang, 14. Tumiran tres. No good. Kanaban. Tumira ulit ng tres. No good ulit. Pass to number 2. Bigla tumira ng tres. No good. Tumira ulit ng tres. Wala pa rin. Half court. No good pa rin. Rebound by Lloyd Canay. Nag-agawang pa sila.
Best player, number